So hi guys, Kim out at Kingsbridge, just sending you this video just so you can have a look at what we've got in. Brand new to stock, beautiful 2020 Audi RS6 Avant Vorsprung, finished in the Navarra Blue. It's got the 22-inch VOSSEN black, gloss black wheels, which we've got Michelin's all round. You'll see as well, it's got the MAXTON Design ground effects kit. You can see it's absolutely stunning. MAXTON there. It's just in immaculate condition, this. Full Audi service history. Not a mark on it. Such a well looked after car. I mean, with it being the Vorsprung as well, comes with a fantastic spec. Basically comes with everything really. Got your pan roof, head up display. It's got your laser matrix LED headlights. It's got the touring pack, which comes with your adaptive cruise control, heated seats, all round 4-zone power tailgate. So let's have a look inside it. See how clean it is. It's just stunning. I always tell a nice car that's been looked after because there's never any marks on the rear bumper. I mean, inside the back, it's not being sat in hardly. And you can see it's got soft close, which is always nice. Obviously you got your privacy glass, memory seats, electric seats, full leather interior, the RS embossed. Let's get in it. So we've got your sat nav. It's got 2 keys. Start it up. So you're sat up there. Surround camera. It's got your pan roof. There's that. Climate control, heated seats, cooled seats. See your cruise control there. You can see that. Virtual digital cockpit. I mean, it's just superb. It just really is. I mean, 600 brake horsepower, what's not to like? I mean, I think out of all cars out there, I've always been a lover of the RS6. They're just such a practical, lovely high-performance car that comes with just nothing but enjoyment and kind of road presence and beautifulness. You know, yeah, it just speaks for itself. Once you come and see this, you'll notice that it's just got everything that you could ever imagine. It doesn't need for anything else. I mean, it's just stunning. And that blue as well. I mean, the Navarra Blue is just kind of a little bit of a one-off. There's not many of them about, so. And yeah, but also with the 22s on it. So you can see from this video how wonderful it is. But I mean, you can see, I mean, it's just not being sat in. Also as well, what we can do for you, I mean, we've got other things we can sort of enhance it and put a ceramic coat on it. So we do a paint correction, machine polish. We'll do put the ceramic coat on it. We've then got options for warranty if you want to do that. We've got dash cams available and trackers available if you want a tracker. I think something like that though, I think you're going to need, I mean, you know, the paint protection and everything is just superb. So we'll speaks for itself. So I hope that's all right for you. Give us a call. Won't be around long. You can see it's a bit of a one-off, is this, which is what we do. We search for the one-off cars. So enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy. Bye now.